Hey guys, it's Mr Bicen, and in this video I want to give you a few updates of what I've been up to and what is going to be coming up over the next few weeks and months. Now, first of all, you might notice this room where I normally make my videos in has changed. We've gone for a blue, yellow, pink, green, there's even an orange on the other wall. I'm very pleased with how it's turned out, and I hope you'll enjoy seeing it in the background of my live streams and upcoming videos. The second thing is I want to thank everybody who came to my February masterclasses. I really enjoyed running them, and I hope you found them very useful too, which then leads me on to my big sessions of the year, my Aiming for A Star sessions that take place on Zoom during the Easter holidays. Now I have these for maths, there's 2 for pure, 1 for mechanics and 1 for statistics. I have them for further maths for core pure 1, core pure 2, further mechanics 1, further stats 1, and further pure 1. These events are very, very popular, especially for maths. They sell out for live places every year. So if you're interested in getting tickets for those, check out the link in the description. And if you want to get a live place, better to get it sooner rather than later. But if they do all sell out for live places, don't worry, because you can still get the recordings and the recordings will be just as useful. If you do get a bursary from school, please do email me with some evidence of that and I can give you a good discount that should make those sessions more accessible for you. And then the last thing I wanted to say is that I'm going to be doing a lot more live streams over the next few weeks and few months to try and get us as prepared as possible for the exams in 2026. What I would like to know from you is what you want to see in those live streams. Some of the things I've got planned is to go through my 2024 exam scripts when I actually sat the exams myself, because I think that'll be really useful for me to share some of my approaches to questions. And I'm probably going to repeat my exam technique workshop, which I really enjoyed doing. But if you want to see anything else, please do let me know. Anyway, I hope you like the room. I hope I'll be seeing you in one of my Aiming for A Star sessions soon. And if not, I will catch you in a live stream or a video sometime soon. Thanks guys, bye.